In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix harsh S on Soundation. If your vocal has those sharp, biting S and S consonants, that's called sibilance. The most effective, transparent way to tame it in Soundation is with a targeted cut using the parametric EQ. This lets you turn down only the problem area, usually between 5 and 10 kilohertz, while keeping the rest of the voice clear and present. Start by adding the parametric EQ to your vocal track and play a section where the sibilance is obvious. Create a bell band and make it narrow so it focuses on a small slice of the spectrum. Temporarily boost that band by a healthy amount and slowly sweep it across the high frequencies above 5 kHz. You're listening for the spot where the S jumps out and feels painfully sharp or piercing. On some voices, this might be closer to 5 to 7 kHz. On others, it can sit higher, near 8 to 10 kHz. Take your time. Small shifts can make a big difference. Once you've found the harsh zone, flip that boost into a cut. Aim for a reduction of about -3 to -6 decibels. Keep the bell relatively narrow so you're only turning down the sibilance and not dulling the whole vocal. If the S still feels spiky across different words, gently widen the band a touch so it catches a slightly broader range, but avoid going so wide that the voice loses brightness. Toggle the EQ bypass on and off to compare before and after, and adjust the cut until the consonants sit comfortably without sounding lispy or muffled. If, after taming that hot spot, the entire vocal still feels too bright or crispy, add a second move to smooth the top end. A high shelf filter is great for a subtle, natural softening. It reduces everything above your chosen frequency gradually, preserving air and openness. A low-pass filter is stronger and rolls off the very top altogether. Use it gently if the sizzle is persistent. In both cases, think subtle first, just enough to calm the sheen while keeping clarity and presence. Listen in context with the rest of the mix, not only in solo. Sibilance that seems fine alone can pop out when cymbals or bright synths are playing, and vice versa. Revisit your cuts, keep them modest, and aim for control rather than perfection. With a precise sweep, a careful cut, and a gentle top-end roll-off when needed, you'll turn those harsh S sounds into smooth, professional vocals in Soundation.